dedication. So we are going to explain them one after the other. Praise. Everybody loves praise.
Yes.
If I call you my sister patient, you are looking so beautiful. I love your outfit.